Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, one and all. Hope you are all fine, children. I believe even your family members are good and healthy. Children, first of all, I want to congratulate everybody because of your good efforts and hard work. You have completed your 8th standard and stepping on to 9th standard. So, my hearty congratulations to all and everyone. And let us start the new academics with a good hope. And today we are going to start the online classes, and I am sending the videos to you. First of all, today I want to start about the COVID-19, which is a disaster, which is a dangerous, deadly disease, and you should all aware of some precautionary methods. Children, hope you like this video and follow the steps which I am going to explain in this video, because this is the important video which you have to listen first. Then let us move on to the next academics, the syllabus in the upcoming videos. Let me start this online video class which you have some tips for the people with rheumatic diseases. So staying safe in the era of COVID-19 is the today's topic, and please follow all these tips carefully and take precautionary methods, because day by day the corona cases are increasing more and more. Before starting the syllabus, I wanted to introduce this video because you have to follow the precautionary methods and you have to take care of your health and even your parents. So please, I request all the children and parents to follow the tips which are going to explain by me and take precautionary methods to follow these things. Children, we have 10 steps to follow, and the people who are with rheumatic diseases like body pains, muscle pains, joint pains, and all over bodily disorders. If the corona is a deadly virus which affects all these things. So let me explain one by one, and even you should listen carefully along with the explanation. Tip 1. Please practice good hand hygiene. So wash for at least 20 seconds. So frequently 20 seconds afterwards you have to wash your hands with the soap. If you can't use soap and water, hand sanitizer is a good alternative. Children, hope you have all sanitizers at home. Every 20 seconds, please wash your hands with clean water and soap. Suppose if you don't have water and soap, it's not available where you live, please use sanitizer. Keep the sanitizer in your pockets with you and use that alternative. Make sure sanitizer is 70% alcohol. Children, use the good sanitizer. So the sanitizer which you use should be only contain 70% alcohol, not 90%. It is dangerous. So please, as you see in the picture, sanitize yourself every time, at least for 20 seconds. If you don't have sanitizers, at least wash your hands with clean soap and water. Coming to the second tip, practice social distancing. Maintain at least 6 feet of distance between you and others. Please, children and parents, when you go outside or at home also, better you maintain 6 feet distance. At least inside the home you live with your family members, not necessary. When you go outside, at least maintain 6 feet distance from each other. Plan outdoor activities when possible. Don't plan any outdoor activities now. At present, the days are very critical. The virus is increasing more and more. Please don't plan any outdoor activities. Avoid crowd. Don't move in crowd. So avoid all these things. This is the second tip. Coming to the third tip, wear a mask. Children, as you see in the picture, make sure it covers both your nose and mouth. Children, don't wear the loose or the used masks often. Use the mask which is tight and it should cover both your nose and mouth. If you don't have access to a surgical mask, a cloth mask is a good alternative. So everybody cannot wear the surgical mask. Better wear a clean, soft cotton cloth mask. So it is a good alternative instead of surgical mask. So please wear mask. This is the third tip. Hope you'll all follow these tips. Coming to the fourth tip, consult your rheumatologist or doctor before stopping any medications. Suppose any deceased persons, if you have at home like your grandparents or somebody, before consulting any medications like other medicals, don't go to medical stores and take whatever you want. Consult the particular person, particular doctor. Continue to take your medications as prescribed. Whatever the doctors have prescribed, only that medications you should continue. It is important to avoid disease flare. So avoid the deceased flare. As you have any deceased person at home, please take care of them carefully. So consult the doctor before you take any medications. Coming to the fifth tip, work from home if you can. So even children in your home, you have some elder brothers or sisters or your siblings or your parents working in the software companies or some other companies. So ask them to stay at home and work from home if they can. Staying at home is the safest thing you can do for yourself. So nowadays, this is the best thing you can do. If you can't know what the risk is in your work environment, so working at home, even everybody is doing the same thing, is the good thing. Otherwise, we have to take risk. Wear a mask and make sure those around you also wear a mask. So guide your neighbors, surrounding people to wear the mask, including yourself. Social distance at work if possible. So if it is necessary to work from office, please maintain the social distance. Coming to the sixth tip, don't ignore your own symptoms. Children, maybe at home you have many deceased people, like make sure you own a thermometer and take your temperature regularly. Please keep a thermometer at home if possible, and suppose if you get any symptoms of fever, check the symptoms with the thermometer what you have at home. Contact your doctor if you have any symptoms. Suppose if the temperature is very high in your thermometer, please try to contact the doctor. Common symptoms of COVID are, see, this coronavirus is very dangerous disease and we have lot of symptoms for the COVID like fever or chills. Suppose if you get too much of temperature or chill, the cold, this is one of the symptom of COVID. Cough, continuous cough, shortness of breath. Suppose if you feel hard to breathe, difficulty breathing, lungs infection, or if you find any difficulty in breathing, fatigue and more. So if it is more difficult to breathe, and if a person is too much weight or the breathing properly is not is happening, means you have to consult the doctor. So loss of taste or smell. If you find no taste, no smell, immediately you have to consult the doctor. These are the things which is the common symptoms of COVID. If you get one also, you are supposed to consult the doctor. Coming to the 7th tip, understand your risk. Try to understand your risk, children. Keep your disease under control. Ask your doctor if you are high risk. See, you should take yourself give importance to yourself. Suppose if you find any problem, any risk at your health, directly contact your doctor. Know the rates of COVID where you live. See, here is the graph or the things where you can surrounding COVID patients you can come to know. If you install the Arogya app, you can come to know whether how many patients are there surrounding you. So you can take precautionary methods and you can avoid the disease. Coming to the 8th tip, be prepared for telemedicine. You will need a device with a camera, microphone on speakers. So if you have mobiles, that's enough, I hope. Make a list of questions and concerns before your visit, so you don't forget anything important. So everything, if you have ready with you, if you don't forget anything, all these things, get ready with the questions and concerns before you can contact any doctor. So in the mobiles, everything is available. You can have any type of, you can clear any type of doubts with your doctor. In-person visits may be necessary. So in-person visits have changed. Possible changes may include, like you may have to wait in your car, come alone, part of your visit may be on the phone, wear your mask. Suppose if you want to visit any doctor in an emergency, don't go to the hospital where it is full of crowd. Better you can wait in your vehicle and you go alone. Don't take everybody to the hospital. Then part of your visit may be on the phone. Maybe just better to consult the doctor on the phone. If it is heavy risk, contact them. So before going out, compulsorily wear the mask. Take care of your physical and mental health. Be mindful of your stress level. Exercise every day. Eat a healthy food. Get plenty of sleep. So drink more water and eat a healthy diet. Don't eat outside food and get plenty of sleep. So this is the thing which you have to follow, children. Hope you have understood and explained to your parents also. Each and everything is important. Follow these tips. Please look after all these tips. Explain to your parents and ask them to take care of themselves. So I hope you will understand everything and follow all these tips. Thank you, children. Thank you for listening to this video and try to follow this. Thank you once again. Jai Shri Gurudev.